Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on percentage loss worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet on the topic of percentage loss. Now basically businesses buy goods or they buy stock from wholesalers, and the ideal situation is for the business to sell the goods or the stock at a higher price so they can make a profit. But sometimes, for a number of reasons, the stock has to be sold at a lower price, and that way the business incurs a loss. Now here we have 5 problems on this very topic, and we are asked to find the percentage loss for each of these examples. If you're not sure how to proceed, all you do is, on the next slide, you click on the link that's available and it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. So let's see what we have to do here. Solve each of the following problems. Number 1. Bill bought a new car for $24,000. Due to unforeseen circumstances, he was forced to sell the car 3 months later for $18,000. What was his percentage loss? Number 2. Tom bought some shares for a total of $16,000. A few months later, he was in desperate need of cash and sold the shares for $10,000. What was his percentage loss? Number 3. May bought a new boat for $16,000. A few months later, she sold the boat for $11,000. What was her percentage loss? Number 4. Sam bought a tractor for $32,000. A few months later, he was in desperate need of cash and sold the tractor for $26,000. What was his percentage loss? And the last one. Sue bought a caravan for $18,000. A few months later, she sold the caravan for $12,000. What was her percentage loss? So this video has given us a worksheet where we have 5 problems where we're able to practice calculating percentage loss. And on the next slide there's a link which takes you to the lesson if you need some help in doing all of these examples.